to dream a dream, though it's harder to live it. They gon' love me for my ambition.
5 core commitments. These 5 commitments can literally change your whole life and your business if you apply them into your life every day. And the reason is they're specifically designed to make sure that you grow, number one. Because if you do not grow, neither will your business grow. Your knowledge has to grow, your confidence in what you're doing at all times has to grow, and your ability to tap in to your subconscious mind that will allow you to create results that normally and typically you would not be able to create, but it's because of the knowledge that's within inside of you. It's because of the confidence that's allowing it to come out, and it's because of the peace of mind that you have that allows you to really tune in to who you really are, who your target market really is, and just key things that allow people to have breakthroughs in their business because they just automatically know what to do and when to do it. And it's those critical times in your business that's going to decide whether or not you know, there's kind of 3 places on the scale that I like to talk about. And I know I'm kind of doing a little redneck style out here, but it's hot. Me and Little Man's been to the lake today. And so still got my shirt off and just enjoying the South Carolina weather. But, you know, what I want to do is I want to share with you the reality, and I want to help just snap you into a place of power in your life and in your business. And if you do, well, let's go back to the 3 things. The 3 things is you're either going to fail, right? Or you're either going to somewhat, little bit, right, succeed, or you're going to massively succeed. So what is it that allows people to massively succeed? Well, we've laid it out here in the 5 core commitments, okay? So this is the difference between you failing or you somewhat, slightly, just a little bit succeeding, or you massively succeeding, experiencing breakthroughs in your finances that literally change your life and have the opportunity to change generations to come for you if you have power and no poverty, but not just poverty financially, but poverty in your mind, right? That mindset. So it's going to help you build yourself, build your business, right? And replace your income here in the next 90 days or less, okay? So God bless, my friend. We love you. Go ahead, click the little red button, go to core commitment number 1, and I'll see you there.